In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see version history in FigJam. This is a simple but powerful way to understand how your board evolved over time, revisit earlier ideas from a brainstorming session, and get clarity on who changed what and when. Whether you're reviewing progress or preparing a share-out, knowing where to find version history can save you time and reduce confusion. Start by opening the FigJam board you want to review. Make sure you're in the correct file and give it a moment to load fully so all menus and options are available. You can do this in the browser or the desktop app. Everything we'll cover works the same either way. Now, look to the very top left of the screen and click the FigJam icon. This opens the main menu for the file you're currently viewing. It's your gateway to file-level actions, and it's the quickest way to access anything related to the document's settings and history. From that menu, go to the File section. This is where options related to saving, exporting, and managing the file live. It's a good habit to remember that anything about the document as a whole, rather than a specific object on the canvas, will usually be under File. Next, choose Show Version History. This opens the version history view for your board. You'll see a timeline of automatically saved checkpoints, each with a timestamp, and in collaborative files, the collaborators associated with those changes. The canvas will switch into a preview mode so you can understand what the board looked like at that moment in time. In this view, you'll typically see named versions if someone on your team has labeled important milestones. These names are helpful for quickly spotting moments like a kickoff, a workshop session, or a final review. The visual preview is especially useful in FigJam because you can immediately spot changes to sticky clusters, diagrams, or flows without hunting through the entire board. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Access to version history can depend on your permissions and your team's plan. If you don't see the option, double-check that you're opening a FigJam file you have access to and reach out to your team admin if needed. Also, opening version history doesn't change your live file. It's a safe way to review the past without disrupting ongoing work. And that's all you need to do to see version history in FigJam. With this view, you can confidently review progress, understand context, and keep your collaboration organized.